Ah, come on then. That's it.
Guarda, sta scendendo.
Ah, the crows are coming as well. The crows like to come. The crows up in the tree there. The parakeets are up there in the tree up there. Over there, yeah. He's finished, when he's eating finished, he'll come back and ask for more. Ah, he's coming closer, he's finished now. Come on, babe, come on. Come on, oh yeah, come on. Come on. Come on, here he comes, look. Oh, yeah. Hey, come on. Lovely in the sunlight, the leaves. In the sunlight, the feathers are beautiful, aren't they? Maybe he doesn't like too many people around. Come on. Come on. Or maybe he's camera shy. Come on. Oh, little blue tit just took one. You know the little blue tit?
Yes.
Yeah, he took one. Crow's waiting. The big one, he's a boss. He chases him away, he's the boss. See, he chases the other one away because he's the boss. Yeah, here they come, look. Oh, look at the colour of in the sunlight. In the sunlight, look, it's beautiful, isn't it? Ah.
Oh, I like them.
Yeah. Do you hear the English word, pecking order? Pecking order.
Pecking
order means when the boss pushes the other ones away. This comes from bird. The pecking order. He's the boss. You know pecking?
Oh, call the...
Yeah, swan.
Yes, call him.
Oh yeah. Come on. Yeah.
Swan.
Yeah. Come on. He's the younger one, so he doesn't get the chance. He chases him away. Look. The boss is greedy.
I want a parrot in my hand.
Oh, come on. Here we are. Wait. Don't be scared. You're not scared, are you? No, you're not scared. Oh, there's loads of them. Look. Come on. Here we are. 1 or 2. Oh, you took 2. I don't feed the pigeons though. Oh, he was coming, but he didn't. I didn't see him, so he. Oh, any more for any more? No, I'm not feeding people.
Let's do a change. I want one of these two. I want the parrot in my hand. No, just one.
Just one.
Took this.
They like to see a lot though. They like to see a lot. They like to see a lot.
Okay.
Keep it flat like this.
Wait.
Here he comes behind you. Oh.
Okay, wait. I want to do a video.
Keep still. He came and he scared away. Oh, what beautiful music. Here we come. Oh, look. Oh, he took your nut. He took your nut. The cashew nut. He took your cashew nut. He's gone over there, look.
Maybe they want to see the naked end.
Well, yeah, because the claws catch in the gloves. They don't like it. Yeah, bare hand is best. Hold it out. Here he is, look. Yeah, you got it. Good. You wanna? Where is he? Here he is. Now he's on you. They like to try a new person in case they got something different. He's just hovering like a butterfly, isn't he? They like to try another person instead in case they got something different.
No.
Because they like a change of diet like we do. So they like to try a new person in case they got some different food, you know.
Yes.
Like us, they get bored with the same food all the time. He's up there. They don't take long to finish eating it.
Yes.
It's only small, so they come back quickly. And when there's quite a few,
I noticed that.
I have some video on Instagram. Oh, beautiful! When they come in dozens.
I've noticed
Crazy.
that when the squirrels eat a lot, when you give food, they go to hide it.
Yeah, they bury it. They bury it in the
Yes,
ground.
they
They
bury
dig and then they pass it down. Yeah. Some they eat, some they take in the nest. Some,
Yes.
but the pigeons, they will always eat more and more and more and more. They will eat more and more. The pigeons are never full. They are the same as rabbits. They will eat until they explode. That's funny, isn't it? Yeah, you laughed, didn't you? Oh, the duck got it. You're not so clever, are you? You're afraid of missing out, aren't you? You're afraid of missing out on something, aren't you? Look, see, the duck got it again. Come on, then, baby. There's a couple of them up there. You got, how many you got? Yeah, he'll take them. He will take them. That's all right. He will take them. What you got? Oh yeah, that's all right. They take. Just now he took the one you gave me. He took the cashew nut you gave me just now. I'll wait and give you a chance. There he is, look. Oh, you got it. There we are, look. You got it on screen as well. Is that video? Yeah, great. Oh, you got some nice memory to take home. They have these ones in Italy.
Yes, but not in the natural parks.
Not natural in the park, in the zoo, huh?
Yes.
The squirrel, they get the squirrel?
No.
No, forest.
Yes,
Not in the city, in the forest.
Forest, yes.
But here London has many big parks.
Yes, it's wonderful.
So they're all over the city.
We are loving it.
Many parks, a lot of greenery in London.
Yes.
It's very good for wildlife. I cycle here today and I saw a dead fox beside the road. But you get a lot of foxes around in London as well. You see them in the early morning around the houses.
Yeah, wow.
They get some food from the rubbish bin and things. Some people feed them. What are you looking at? Huh? Oh, what are you looking at? I haven't got anything for you. Have I? No, I haven't got anything for you. You're just hoping, aren't you? The mallard duck, look at the mallard. See the male and the female? That's the male and that's the female.
Oh.
With the birds, the males are always colourful and the females are plain.
Oh, nice.
Opposite to humans, eh? He's a male, that's a male. Not a male and a female. They usually most birds mate for life. Most birds mate for life. So they always have the same partner. Did he drop it? No, I bet the pigeon got it. Didn't he? I bet you didn't get it, did you? No, you never got a chance. You never got a look in, did you, mate? So, what's happening? Oh, that's a furry object there. What kind of animal is that? You're Russian, huh? Huh? You're Russian? No. Oh, a hat like that, you should be Russian. I think you're Russian with a hat like that.
Squirrels are silly.
So where you going today? Are you up there? Come on down, babe. Come on. Come on, baby. Here we are. Come on. Come on. He's looking from you to me, seeing who to come. He's leaning down like somebody coming off a high board in the swimming pool. They lean right over. I don't give to the pigeon. Where are you going today? You go home?
Yes, we are going home.
So you're going to where? Heathrow?
No, to Luton.
Luton. Oh, I see. Yeah.
We have
What
to
time do you fly?
take 4 a.m. 4
4
p.m.
a.m. 4 p.m. Yeah, 4 p.m.
I will miss London.
Oh, yeah, of course. You must come again. What are you doing? Hello, Duck. Hello, Duck. Hello, Duck. So, oh, there's a magpie, look. Magpies. Look. See the magpies. Ah! Come on, magpies. Ah.
We are going home.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Thanks for the
Yeah.
experience.
Okay,
Bye.
have some good memories. Bye-bye. Oh, what happened to the magpie? Where did he go? Ah, I don't know. Oh, come on then, down you come. Come on, baby. Yeah. Now look, I put the Brazil nut there for you. Oh, come on. You want the almond? Okay. Aren't they beautiful, eh? In the sunlight, the sun on the feathers is beautiful. Oh, come on, squirrel. Come on. Here you are. Come on. You're not very brave. He's a young one. He's a bit tentative. There, well, I can hear the chatter. I can't see the magpie. Where is it? That's it. Yeah. Oh no, that's a. I thought it was a magpie. It's not. It's a pigeon. Where's he gone, the magpie? Where's he gone? I do love the magpies. It's the crows looking suspicious because the Brazil nut just dropped out of the blue. He didn't see me flick it. No, don't give way to the duck. You're bigger than he is. Yeah. Well, I can't see you. I hear a squeak. I didn't hear the. I didn't see where the thing is. Come on then. Come on, here we are. That's it. So, I hope the magpies were braver like the crows and come closer. Ah. Oh, hey, the duck got it. Go on, look. Come on, crow, you saw it, you saw it. Yeah, you went. Oh, what's that?
Hi.
I got the Insta 360 Go 3, you know that one? No, different. What's this, DJI? Where are you? Easy comes up there, wait for him to come up.
Come up?
Come up. No, up here.
Come here.
Come on. Come on. Hi, too many strangers.
Oh, avellana le da, ¿eh?
He likes the almond.
Con lo que están los zapatos porque está fruto seco.
I like the almonds. Almonds.
Thank you, mister.
Okay.
Have a
Yeah.
good day.
Come on up here. Where is it? Is that you up there? Yeah, it is. Come on down. Come on, baby. Here we are. Come on. Is that you or a leaf? I can't see. Come on. Come on in, baby. Come on, baby. Ow. Come on in. Come on down. Okay. You don't want it? I don't care. Well, one of the little chicks came and got it. Got one, didn't he? Let's the magpie come closer. And the jays, they don't come very close. Come on, up here, come on, yeah. Come on, up here, come on, up. Oi, if I throw it down there, the pigeons will get it. Oh, he's gone. Okay.